Hey, Riz. I hear you knocked up.
You do?
Yeah.
Boy, good use really does travel fast.
Why don't you tell me about it?
What's it to you?
I think I might be able to do something.
You did enough.
I know away from my mistakes.
Gee, don't worry about it, Kaniki. It was somebody else's mistake.
Well, thanks a lot, kid.
Anytime.
Hey Rizzo, I just heard the news. I'm really sorry. Are you going to turn the road tomorrow?
Not a chance.
You're not going to the park? I heard everyone will watch a movie there.
Oh, sweet. By the way, if you're going to turn the road tomorrow, unless you've got wheels and motors, then you will probably know you're alive.
Listen, Rizzo, I know you haven't been a best friend, but if there's something I can do to help you.
Oh, please, I can take care of myself and anybody else who comes along. You think I don't know what people are saying about me? Hey. Thanks.
Okay. Hey Rizzo, I hear the news.
Good for you.
Guys, that's the one I've been telling you about.
There are worse things I could do than go with a boy or two. Even though the neighborhood thinks I'm trashy and no good, I suppose they could be true. But there are worse things I could do. I could flirt with all the guys, smile at them and pat my eyes, press against them when we dance, make them think they stand a chance, then refuse to see it through. That's the thing I never do. I could stay home every night, wait around for Mr. Right, take cold showers every day, and throw my life away on a dream that will come true. I could hurt someone like me.